I did it. I got it all. That was the most bullshit thing ever. Not hard. You just gotta get used to it. Ugh. Ugh. And honestly, I could have recorded that. Didn't feel like it though.
It's my charming personality that keeps you.
But other than that, it's actually a pretty good deal.
Pick a new planet.
I'm going to Wilgar. Because I got it all. I did. I think I even got all the fucking gold bolts. Golden bolt toes. Doopy doo 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 doo. Too bad I can't skip these. I wonder. I would like to go back to chromostatic. I just want hot rod. We'll go to that. I got all those. What about masks? Who's Dan Johnson? Look guys, I'm Dan Johnson. I don't want Dan Johnson. Image. Characters. Oh. I like these designs. Especially that one. Huh. Ooh. Yeah. Bloop. Fish. Flying. Crab. Weirder crab. More fish. Crabber. Frogger. Froggy. Nerd. I guess the same design. Same design. Racing chick. All the same species. And back to him. Weapons. There's the robot blaster. There's the trespasser. The fusion grenade. Glove of doom. Other gun. Other gun. Robots. Guy. Robot. 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 Okay. Okay. Yes. You can take a lot of inspiration from this. Only because the people just sketch it out. That's all they do. They don't put any defining features into these. That's not hard to do. Like that shows the size, I guess. Whatever. But then you got this and this. They're just sketches. That's the whole point. But then you got the rendering they do. Holy shit, that's deep looking. And then you got Ratchet and Clank. Are these other ideas? Oh no, that's from 2002. Oh. These are ideas for them. I would have liked those better, actually. Dude, Captain Quirk looks evil with a smiley face on his fucking stomach. I mean chest. Huh, which Clank do I like best? Do I like Giant Hulkbuster Clank? Or weird Ostrich Clank? Actually, I like these Clanks. I kind of like the one with the awkward body. I like the little kid Clank. Now that actually doesn't look good, I'm sorry. That looks good. And these are regular sketches. That's what's so cool about them. They're regular sketches. Okay. This cheats. Damn! Should I? No. That'd be too much. Well, let's go turn this in. See what I get. See what I get. See how many trophies I've gotten. Also, I'll be recording, actually, I don't need to say it. It'll probably go up before this episode even comes up anyway. Destiny Beta! I'll just be playing random episodes. It'd be like the random shit.
Hey, you got all the hollow cards.
Yes, I did.
Good job, sport. The rhino's yours. Hang on while I grab my toolkit. Now I just have to attach the induction rod, refocus the emitters, and blammo! One new rhino.
Yeah.
Telling anyone you have this.
Yeah. Look at that freaky ass smile. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Got myself a rhino. Oh yeah, a good place to farm is like here.
Not just for when you lock yourself out of your apartment and you've left Lance and Janice on at top volume. Not that that's ever happened to me.
As I was saying.
Buy something, will you? I make a few more sips. I did it.
But as I was saying, before I was rudely interrupted. This don't. Yeah, it does. Holy shit. Fuck yeah. But and what was I gonna say? Fucker. If you go over this way, there's a part. Actually, I can do that now and show you guys. It's a good farming area and a good leveling up area. What you do is you go to that little bit over there, and you'll see these slime things. And this has to be the second time around after you kill all the blarg. You'll see slime deals, and if you shoot them once with this, they'll split into two. And the big ones will keep like coming and spawning after you kill a certain amount of the bigger ones. But the small ones will keep building up and building up and building up. And you can just keep doing that. You can get a lot of money and shit from that. A lot of veritanium. A lot of that shit. It's a good spot to actually farm. Believe me. But nah. I'm gonna finish the game. Might as well.
Let's pick a new planet.
So I got everything. I do got it all. So let's finish the game. Let's go for it. Whew. It's been so long since I finished a good game. Other than Wolfenstein. I am finishing a bunch of good games. Let us get to it. Oh yeah, I forgot I got that. The hot rod. Should I wear that? Yeah, why the fuck not? That's the kind of music you're listening to now. Oh, the back. Fucking die! Really? Fuck yeah! This thing levels up fast. Ow! You motherfucker. This is like a son of a bitch fast gun. Damn! Damn! And it, not the, I don't think it's the last weapon you get, is it? Ooh, It can't be the last one. Let's get the Goatinator out.
Holy moly! You got enough to up?
Let's see.
No.
I know, right? It's like the best gun. But
Well, you see something you like?
yeah, this will do more damage. Damn. This is not a gun to have. This is not a gun to have whenever you're doing a playthrough.
Rangers, come in. We're inside the core and heading down to the gravity stabilizer's location. We should
'Cause you can't
soon.
use it properly. Well, upgrade it. Well, I can, but...
You got it.
And auto hack. I got the money. I disabled it.
Gravity stabilizer deactivated. Remember, that core is nuclear, so be careful. What was that?
Nothing. We're good.
Warning, warning. Core stabilizer offline. Warning.
Ratchet.
Greetings, cadet.
Well, that was weird.
Get ready for a super awesome hero attack.
Just die.
Okay, let's make it rain. Ah, I totally got you with that one.
Yeah, but I'm gonna get you with this one.
Captain, you have to stop. Dr. Nefarious is trying to destroy the system.
I'm done talking to you. You ruined my life.
I like this. I like this. I do like this.
Gotta hit that Groovatron.
Oh, I gotta hit it?
Say hello to my little friend, the Warmonger.
Look at yourself. You're working with the biggest villains in the galaxy.
I'm in too deep now. I just have to destroy you and get through this.
No, you don't.
Solana can love me again.
I almost had it.
Agents of Doom, attack!
You're dead, man.
After I destroy you, I'll help everyone find new homes, better homes, and I'll be a hero again.
The galaxy is gonna reward.
Hut. 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 Hut.
Huh?
Do I have to... Can I just turn you guys into goats? Oh no, I'm done.
I'm sorry. I don't know how things got this far.
This is just pathetic.
Nefarious. Give it up. It's over. As head of the Galactic Rangers, he's here to place you under arrest.
Me?
Absolutely. Arrest this man.
Over your dead body.
Whoa!
Mag boosters engaged!
What's happening?
Deplanetizer now online.
Quark! Don't let him turn it on.
Get off me, you has-been! You know, maybe Drek was right. I am a mad scientist. You've ruined everything!
Gadgetron Instamag activated.
Now, where were we? Ah, yes. Annihilating you!
Dun dun dun. Oh. Oh. We're doing a whale boss. Not a real boss, a whale boss. We're grinding.
I'd love to stay in shack, but I have a dwarf star to destroy.
Huh.
Polaris, we've got a problem. Nefarious is launching it. He's gonna destroy the star.
Ratchet, you have to stop him.
I'm gonna try.
Explodes. Umbrus will go with it.
I don't care.
You can't catch me. You should have seen the look on Brick's face. I played that fool like a Novalian piano. Then
I don't know what the fuck that is. What the fuck's a Novalian? What? A Novalian? What the fuck's that? Novalian piano. Sounds pretty cool, actually.
stop chasing me. Why don't you just die?
Because I don't want to. Oh no, it's a jetpack fight.
What's your hurry? I thought you wanted to be a hero.
Can't see my face.
Pathetic lives and still have plenty of time to evacuate the station. I'll have a perfect view of the destruction.
I love your voice, man.
Beautiful, isn't it? Artificial supernova. I had the idea while I was rotting in jail. What better way to exact revenge on the Galactic Rangers than to destroy the entire system on their watch?
Actually, this might do good.
Not bitter yet? Allow me to give you a personal demonstration. Yes, that was a lucky shot.
Yeah. Level up again!
Oh, this isn't possible. I can't be losing to you. Time to recharge.
What? What'd I do? Ow. Ow, he killed me.
Beautiful, isn't it? Artificial supernova. I had the idea while I was rotting in jail. What? Better way to and you thought you were winning. Now the real fight begins.
Kill him! Kill him! Kill the baldy! Oh.
This interesting. You moron. Think that will stop me?
Yeah? I'm kinda stopping you.
I must
I love this weapon. I just love it.
be defeated.
I do love this weapon. Oh, oh, oh.
You stupid thing. Where's the reset button?
Get it, get it, get it! I got him.
Deplanetizer entering Umbrus orbit.
Let's go.
Ratchet, you have to get out of there now.
Warning. Now entering Umbrus atmosphere.
Any ideas?
We must find one of Drek's teleporters.
I saw one on the bridge.
Watch out!
Oh. Hang on, boys.
It's here! Hit the brakes! Quark!
Oh no.
I can't reach you in time. Just get out while you can.
Teleporter charging.
What are you doing?
Improvising.
And that, my friend, is the story of my heroic redemption. The end.
Wow, that was a heck of a story, Captain. I even rooted for the heroes. Normally, I hope they, die.
Well, that's touching.
Captain?
Hey, Ratchet, Clank, how are you guys?
We are doing well. We just came here to visit the Rangers.
Yeah, Alaris invited us over to try out some new weapons and, just boring old stuff. How are you?
Great, good, fine, yeah.
Prisoner escaping. Prisoner escaping. Prisoner.
What the
escaping.
fuck?
What did I tell you? No prison can hold Shiv Helix.
What?
Ready, pal?
Always.
Hey, you coming?
Absolutely.
Question. What the fuck? This game is good. I recommend people playing it, but I think it's kind of bullshit how they keep doing those whole blocked scenes shit. It doesn't even show. It only shows bits of the movie. There's like a shit ton more from the movie that they don't show. They only show little scenes that make sense. That's why I hate some movie games. I hate movie games because of that. But I can't skip. I'll leave you guys with the credits until they end, and I'll stop it here. So until next time, thank you all for watching. And I might not edit this final video. I might leave it all in, or at least edit it to where I can at least use it. Like, change some of it, make it black and white, some shit, I don't know. Because I think you guys deserve to see the actual ending properly without any cuts. But yeah, that's the finale. Got the Rhino. They lost shit. It's a bullshit game sometimes, but fun ass game. And I thank you all for watching. Now it's time for Destiny. Yeehaw, yeehaw. Even though it's the beta. Bye.